Welcome to Brain Booster. Have you ever wondered what really lies behind the guarded fences of Area 51? Nestled in the heart of the barren Nevada desert, down a dusty, unmarked road, lies the enigmatic Area 51. The only thing separating the world from this top-secret military base are a chain-link fence, a boom gate, and signs warning of trespassing. It might seem underwhelming for what is often regarded as the epicenter of America's most tantalizing mysteries. But make no mistake, they are always watching. Area 51, shrouded in secrecy, has been the catalyst for decades of wild speculation and conspiracy theories. Some believe that the base is a haven for extraterrestrial beings, hidden away from prying eyes. Others purport that the infamous Roswell crash of 1947 was not of alien origin, but rather a Soviet aircraft piloted by mutated midgets. They insist that the remnants of the wreckage still remain within the confines of Area 51. There's even a theory suggesting that the US government didn't land on the moon in 1969. The lunar landing, according to this theory, was nothing more than a sophisticated ruse filmed within one of Area 51's expansive hangars. Despite the array of theories, one fact remains undeniable. Area 51 is very real and continues to be active. What goes on beyond those fences is known to only a privileged few, fueling the curiosity of those on the outside. As aerospace historian and author Peter Merlin, who spent over 3 decades researching Area 51, aptly puts it, "The forbidden aspect of Area 51 is what makes people want to know what's there." The alien conspiracies gained momentum in 1989 when Bob Lazar claimed that he had seen aliens and had even helped reverse engineer alien spacecraft while working at the base. Many have dismissed his claims as pure fiction, including Merlin, who's had years of conversations with former Area 51 engineers and employees, all of whom are irked by the extraterrestrial fuss. But to truly understand the enigma that is Area 51, we must delve into its historical origins. Area 51's story begins not in Nevada, but in the skies above Roswell, New Mexico. July 1947, a headline on the front page of the Roswell Daily Record announced, "RAF captures flying saucer on ranch in Roswell region." This incident, now famously known as the Roswell incident, sparked a blaze of speculation that has yet to be extinguished. This incident, combined with the Cold War's escalating tensions, led to the birth of Area 51. The US government needed a secure location to test and develop aircraft that could potentially provide an edge in this new age of nuclear paranoia. This led them to a salt flat in Nevada, known as Groom Lake, which was soon to become the most secretive military site in the world. The U-2 and Oxcart aircrafts were among the first to be developed and tested at Area 51. These aircraft were unlike anything anyone had ever seen. The U-2 could fly at an altitude of 70,000 feet, 20,000 feet higher than commercial planes. When viewed from below, its silver body reflecting the sun, it was easy to mistake the U-2 for something otherworldly. The Oxcart was another marvel of technology tested within the confines of Area 51. Its speed was so immense that it required almost 200 miles to turn around. Observers on the ground would see a fast-moving, high-flying object that would disappear and reappear suddenly due to its vast turning radius. This surely would have looked like the erratic movements attributed to UFOs. This combination of secrecy, advanced technology, and public imagination created the perfect storm. Aircraft that were decades ahead of their time were mistaken for extraterrestrial visitors. The government's refusal to acknowledge the existence of Area 51 only added fuel to the fire. And so, the stage was set for decades of speculation and mystery. As the years passed, Area 51's aura of secrecy only intensified. The base expanded, its boundaries stretching farther into the barren Nevada desert. Its growth wasn't just in terms of physical size, but also in the number of eyebrow-raising incidents reported around it. Tales of UFO sightings began to multiply, with many claiming to have seen strange lights and unidentified objects in the sky near Area 51. These reports fed the public's curiosity, making the clandestine base a nexus of intrigue and speculation. Then, in the year 1989, the conspiracy theories took a sharp turn into the extraordinary. A man named Bob Lazar stepped into the limelight, claiming to have worked inside the enigmatic Area 51. Lazar's revelations were nothing short of sensational. He alleged to have seen aliens and even participated in the reverse engineering of alien spacecraft. These outlandish claims sparked a wildfire of interest, skepticism, and even outrage. Some dismissed Lazar's stories as pure fiction, while others were deeply intrigued. The skeptics included people who had spent years working at Area 51, like aerospace historian Peter Merlin. They were frustrated by the constant association of their work with extraterrestrial beings and dismissed Lazar's claims as a distraction from the genuine scientific and military endeavors at the base. However, Lazar's declarations, whether true or false, had a lasting impact. They amplified the enigma of Area 51, catapulting it from a mere military base to a symbol of the unexplained and the unknown. His stories filled the void of information with tantalizing possibilities, making Area 51 a fertile ground for the imagination. In the world of conspiracy theories, the line between fact and fiction can sometimes blur. The truth about Area 51 may still remain a closely guarded secret, but the theories and rumors surrounding it have certainly captured the world's attention. Whether you believe Lazar's claims or not, there's no denying they added fuel to the fire of Area 51's mystique. So, what's the truth behind Area 51 in the present day? Well folks, Area 51 is very much alive and kicking. It's not a relic of the Cold War era gathering dust in the Nevada desert. No, it's a bustling hub of activity, humming with the rhythm of the unknown. Google Earth doesn't lie, and it shows us that construction and expansion are continually happening at the base. The landscape is ever-changing, morphing into new shapes and designs that feed into the mystery. But it's not just the buildings that are active. There's a steady stream of traffic to and from Area 51. I'm not talking about the occasional desert wanderer who's lost his way. No, these are workers, scientists, engineers, and who knows who else commuting to and from the base. And how do they get there, you ask? Well, that's another fascinating piece of the puzzle. Meet Janet, the semi-secret contract commuter airline that ferries these workers from Las Vegas's McCarran Airport to the mysterious base. If you're an early bird, and you happen to be near Area 51, you might even spot strange lights moving up and down in the sky. No, it's not an alien spaceship, it's just Janet, going about her daily routine. Despite all this activity, the base remains off-limits to the public. It's under constant, round-the-clock surveillance. Try to get too close, and you'll find yourself face-to-face with a chain-link fence, a boom gate, and some rather intimidating trespassing signs. The message is clear: keep out. But that doesn't stop the speculation, the rumors, the conspiracy theories. If anything, it only fuels them. Because the one thing we know for sure about Area 51 is that there's a lot we don't know. What's happening behind those guarded gates? What secrets are being hidden away in those newly constructed buildings? What's the real purpose of all those Janet flights? While the truth remains elusive, Area 51 continues to captivate and intrigue. In 2013, a glimmer of truth emerged from the shroud of secrecy. A trove of declassified CIA documents finally acknowledged the existence of Area 51, a revelation that shook the world of conspiracy theorists and skeptics alike. For the first time, the US government was not just acknowledging Area 51, but also shedding light on its purpose. These documents revealed that Area 51, located in the barren Nevada desert, was actually a testing ground for the U-2 and Oxcart programs. The U-2, a high-altitude reconnaissance plane, was designed to fly above the reach of Soviet radars and surface-to-air missiles, providing the US with crucial intelligence during the Cold War. The Oxcart, on the other hand, was a Mach 3 high-speed, high-altitude reconnaissance aircraft. Part of the reason for the secrecy surrounding Area 51 was to keep these technological advancements out of enemy hands. But what about the unidentified flying objects, the mysterious lights in the sky? It turns out that many of these sightings could be attributed to the test flights of these unique aircraft. The U-2 in particular could fly 20,000 feet higher than commercial planes. To the untrained eye, these planes could easily be mistaken for something otherworldly. The declassified documents also addressed the expansions happening at Area 51. The Oxcart required almost 200 miles to complete a turn due to its high speed, necessitating the expansion of the base. This explains the continuous growth observed on Google Earth. While these revelations may not satisfy all curiosity, they offer a glimpse into the reality of Area 51, a place where fact and fiction intertwine. The truth behind Area 51 may not involve extraterrestrial life or moon landing hoaxes, but the real story of this top-secret military base is no less enthralling. Area 51 stands as a testament to human ingenuity and the extent of our curiosity. Regardless of whether you're a staunch skeptic or an avid believer in the extraordinary, one fact remains undeniable. the enigma of Area 51 continues to fascinate us, enticing us to probe further into the unknown. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to like and subscribe.